Whole grains like oats, wheat, and rye have gained popularity because of how good they are for you. Barley, however, is another healthy grain which hasn't got the attention it really deserves. Hi viewers, and welcome back to Bestie. Barley is an ancient grain originating in Ethiopia and Southeast Asia, where it has been cultivated for more than 10,000 years. The grain has a chewy, satisfying texture and subtle nutty flavor, making it a perfect way to bulk up meals. You'll often find it in bread, beer, soups, and porridge to healthy muffins, granola, and pancakes. It's truly a super grain, packed with a lot of nutrition, which have a wide range of health benefits. And in today's video, we'll tell you what they are. From lowering blood sugar levels, reducing cancer risk, boosting immunity, lowering cholesterol to preventing gallstones, and more. Watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Helps you lose weight. Barley helps to reduce weight partially because of several essential amino acids and partially because of its fiber content. It modulates your blood sugar levels. This helps avoid sugar peaks and drops, usually associated with the fat storage process. Barley, compared to other grains, is low in calories and at the same time makes a good meal, helping you feel full longer so you don't need to eat as frequently. What do you find most difficult to give up when trying to lose weight? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Great for breakfast. Barley is nutrient-rich and is packed with fiber and essential minerals like selenium, copper, tryptophan, and manganese. It gives you energy and keeps you satisfied for a good part of the day. The manganese helps you to feel happy, energetic, and also calms your nervous system. Researchers studied the effects of eating a grain breakfast on a daily basis. It found over a period of 19 years that men who enjoyed a daily morning bowl of whole grain cereal had a 29% lower risk of heart failure. Number 3. Reduces your risk of developing cancer. The antioxidants in barley are important to help prevent some cancers. A study suggested that the antioxidants in barley can keep colon cancer cells from reproducing. Another study showed that getting plenty of fiber, like the fiber in unstrained barley water, has also been linked to a lower risk of some types of colon cancer. But that's not all that barley brings to the table. It also has ferulic acid in it, which may prevent tumors as well. Number 4. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Barley has a good amount of several different nutrients that keep your body humming. It has niacin, a B vitamin the body uses to turn food into energy. Niacin is also key for the nervous system and digestive systems and for the health of the skin. It's also a good source of B6 that helps our brains and immune systems. Barley provides a big dose of manganese, an essential nutrient that helps keep your body running, selenium, which is important for a healthy thyroid, phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth, and a decent amount of iron. Number 5. Lowers cholesterol levels. Several studies have shown that eating barley may have beneficial effects on cholesterol. A diet high in soluble fiber, which barley has, can lower total and bad cholesterol by 5 to 10%. A study found that people with high cholesterol who ate a diet with 20% of calories coming from barley lowered total cholesterol by 20%, reduced bad cholesterol by 24%, and increased good cholesterol by 18%. Number 6. Loaded with fiber. Barley is a delicious way to up your fiber content, and fiber has a range of health benefits. It supports healthy digestion, weight loss, and better glycemic control. Among whole grains, it has one of the best sources of especially healthy fiber. Just 1 cup of pearled barley has 6 grams of fiber and only 193 calories. Along with that fiber, it also has 3.5 grams of protein, not anywhere close to the amount in other whole grains like quinoa, but it's something. Number 7. Helps balance gut bacteria. The balance of natural gut bacteria plays an essential role in keeping a person healthy. Studies have shown that consuming barley-based foods leads to a reduction of a gut bacteria called Bacteroides. While these bacteria are usually not a threat, they are the most common species found after an injury or trauma. These infections can affect the abdomen, genitals, heart, bones, joints, and the central nervous system. Number 8. Prevents osteoporosis. The phosphorus as well as copper in barley ensures overall good health of bones. Phosphorus can effectively cure bone and tooth problems, making them stronger. In case you have osteoporosis, barley is usually its natural remedy. Barley grass juice has 11 times greater calcium than milk. Calcium, as we know, is key in safeguarding bone health. The manganese in barley works in collaboration with B-complex vitamins, keeping your overall bone health intact. Number 9. Controls blood sugar. Barley may help lower blood sugar and insulin levels, which may reduce your risk of diabetes. It's a good source of the soluble fiber beta-glucan, which slows the absorption of sugar in your body. In a study, barley was found to be far more effective in reducing sugar levels by 59 to 65% as compared to 29 to 36% with oats. It was also found that those who ate barley with dinner had 30% better insulin sensitivity after breakfast the next morning compared to those who ate refined wheat bread with dinner. Additionally, a review of 232 scientific studies have linked whole grain breakfast cereal consumption, including cereals containing barley, to a lower risk of diabetes. The best part is that barley has a low glycemic index, or how food quickly raises blood sugar. Its score of 28 is the lowest of all grains. Eating the right food is one of the best ways to get your blood sugar levels under control. Learn more about the best ones by watching 13 Blood Sugar Friendly Foods. Now back to barley health benefits and how to add it to your diet. Number 10. Boosts immunity. Being highly nutritious, barley is particularly helpful in strengthening the body's immune system and reducing the chances of cold and flu. It also contains iron, which improves blood volume and prevents anemia and fatigue. Barley also aids in proper kidney functioning and the development of cells. Number 11. Prevents gallstones. Barley is known to prevent the formation of gallstones in women quite effectively. Since it's rich in fiber, it reduces the secretion of bile acids. This increases insulin sensitivity and reduces the level of triglycerides in the body. Women who eat a fiber-rich diet are known to have a lower risk of developing gallstones as compared to those who don't eat enough fiber. Barley is also known to prevent kidney stones and support kidney health by cleansing and detoxifying. Barley comes in a variety of forms. Number 1. Hulled barley. This is the whole grain version of barley that has only the outer inedible hull removed. It's chewier and takes longer to cook compared to other types. Number 2. Pearl barley. This type has been partially steamed and its hull and bran removed. Pearl barley cooks more quickly than hulled but is lower in nutrients. Number 3. Barley flakes. Barley flakes are flattened and sliced, similar to rolled oats. They cook quickly but are lower in nutrients than hulled barley. Number 4. Barley grits. Barley grits are made from barley that's been toasted and cracked. They vary in nutrient content depending on their source, whether it's hulled or pearled. So, how can you add barley to your diet? You can use hulled barley as a substitute for other whole grains, such as rice, quinoa, oats, or buckwheat. To cook barley, rinse the grains under cold running water, removing any hulls. Then, cook it using a 1:3 ratio of barley to water. For example, for 0.5 cups of barley, use 1.5 cups of water. Pearled barley cooks in about an hour, whereas hulled barley takes about an hour and a half to become tender. You can try barley flakes as a breakfast porridge instead of oats. It's also a great addition to soups and stews. You may also use it for baking by mixing barley flour with wheat flour. Make a grain salad with cooked barley, vegetables, and dressing, or eat it as a side dish instead of rice or quinoa. One of the best ways to include it is by making barley water. Just make sure to use hulled or pearled barley. Cook the grains well to extract the most nutrients from it. Heat 4 cups of water and 1/4 cup pearl barley in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and let it cook on a low flame for 30 minutes. You can muddle the grains a little using a spoon. Strain it into a glass, tip in a lemon rind, and drizzle with honey. Let it cool completely. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes, then drink. You can use ginger, cinnamon, cumin seeds, and other spices or orange juice to enhance the taste. The leftover grains can be used to make cereals, salads, or a thickening agent for curries and smoothies. Don't waste it. While barley is a healthy whole grain to eat regularly, there are others that should be a part of your regular diet. Learn more by watching 19 healthiest whole grain foods that are good for you, or finding out important health benefits of oats that will surprise you. These 2 videos will definitely help you pick out the healthiest whole grains, so go ahead and pick one, or watch them both for maximum benefits. Have you tried barley? How did you cook it? Let us know in the comment section below.